Okay, sorry, my computer cut me off. So this is part 2 of the review. So again, we were adding 100% because we have to pay this $49.87 plus 6.2%, which is the sales tax, plus 18%, which is the tip. So that means we are paying a total of 124.2%. So we always have to change this percent to a decimal, move it 2 places to the left. And we're going to take X, and that's set it equal to 1.242, and we're going to multiply it by the total bill, which is $49.87. So when we multiply this, this will give us the final cost, including tax and tip. So we have 1.242 times $49.87. And I get 61.93. However, I want to look at this 8 next door because it will help me round, and it is going to round the 3 up to a 4. So 61.94 is our final answer. 61.94. And it's $61.94. So we want to make sure we put that dollar sign, and that's going to be the total final cost of the bill. Number 11, an item originally cost $16.95 and is on sale for 22% off of the original price. The sales tax is 6.5%. Find the cost of the item. So this is very similar to the last problem. We have the 2 percentages here. However, it's a little different because one is a discount, which is a subtracted price, and one is tax, which is an added price. So we have to do this separately. You first have to find the discounted price and then the tax. So let's focus on this 22% off. So we do 100% minus 22%. This is going to give us 78%. So we always want to change this to a decimal. So we have X equals 0.78 times our original price of $16.95. This again is going to give us the discounted price. So 0.78 times $16.95 gives me 13.22. And then this 1 is going to help us round. So it's actually going to stay 13.22. So this is the discounted price. Now we must find the tax on the discounted price. So we have to pay the 100% of this discounted price plus the 6.5% tax, which gives us 106.5% total. So we want to make sure we change this to a decimal, go 2 to the left. And we're going to have X equals 1.065 times 13.22. This is going to give us the total price, including discount and tax. 1.065 times 13.22 gives me 14.07, but this 9 rounds this 7 up to an 8. So it's 14.08. That is the total price. So I went through and did this using method 2 for each of them. You could use method 1. If you're more comfortable with method 1, you could also use it. You will still get to the same answer in the end. Last question, find the simple interest, round to the nearest cent if necessary. We have $6,450 at 7% for 2 years. So it's a simple interest problem. I equals PRT. Now it's telling us to find the interest. So interest, we're going to leave blank. P is $6,450. Remember, that's the principal or starting balance. R is our percentage as a decimal. So you want to move it 2 to the left, and you get 0.07. And time is always measured in years. And it is in years here, so I could just plug in a 2. Now from here, I'm going to go ahead and plug it into my formula. I is going to stay I. P, 6,450 times R, 0.07. Times 2. So 6450 times 0.07 times 2 gets me 903. So the interest is 903, which is really $903 because interest is measured in money. So that is where the review is going to end. Tomorrow we're going to have our test. If you understand how to do what we just went over in the review, you should be good to go for your test tomorrow. If you're still having trouble, there is extra help after school today. Just look for the math teacher who's staying and then join. Or if you want to send me a quick question over an email, I will do my best to get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, so I'll see all of you guys tomorrow.